guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Nessa, and if you're returning, hey, I love you. So today, well, not today, in the next 3 days, I'm just going to be doing a get ready with me, but preparing for just a random trip. Like, it was really like random. I was supposed to go because of my friend's birthday, but I have school, so, and her birthday was like right in between the 2 days I have school, so I couldn't do that. So now I'm going, and yeah, you're just gonna watch me get prepared. So today I'm just gonna go to the beauty spot. Yesterday I went to the beauty supply store, but they didn't have everything I needed, so I'm gonna go again today, right now, before I go to school. And then tomorrow you're gonna see me and Tati put in my hair. I'm putting my wig back on. I'm trying to do a swoop. And yeah, you're just gonna see that. And then Wednesday I have my lash appointment, and then I'm gonna put my nails on. So yeah, I got my eyebrows done already, if you could tell. These lashes is like a week or two old, so yeah, but that's basically what is gonna happen. And I also forgot to add that you're gonna see me pack and all of that. And
I'm too hot, don't catch up. Pull up, hop out, so I might not be knocked out. Ride through the block with the top down. I'ma clean them up, rub the mop out.
So far I got this. Look at the city view from like when I get out of class. Like, isn't that so cute? Hold on. That is too cute. But right now it's 5:58. I could have got out 30 minutes earlier, but I just really wanted her to reread my little summary thing that we're doing right now, since it's a new subject and I'm not that good with paragraphs and stating my reasons, so she really helps good with that. So yeah, it's Monday, and once I get home I'm gonna take a shower, wash my hair, do all that, and you're just gonna see me pack and all that. But my professor is really mad funny. Like, she calls me diva and everything. But yeah, so see you when I get home. So now I'm home, as you can see, and I don't know if I want to pack first or my hair is looking like pack, because I'm gonna be fresh out the shower and all that. I don't want y'all to see me packing with my little meeks. So yeah, we gonna pack. I'm not gonna use the towel again. Say hi, monkey. And I'm only going for like 4 days, well, 3 days, all day. I leave Thursday morning. I'm there Friday all day. My battery's about to die. Saturday, my sister's birthday. My dog is fighting. And then Sunday I'll leave in the afternoon, like 4 o'clock. So say hi, Ariel. This is my first dog. She's 8 years old. Yeah, Ariel. She's so adorable. Then that one's the mean one. Okay, don't mind this. I'm gonna speed this up.
So I'm gonna try to do calculations, but I love to overpack when I don't need to. But I have this outfit because I'm trying to take a picture. It's gonna be fire. This is an outfit for my sister's birthday party. It's just pajamas. This is an outfit, like a sweatsuit, that any day, because it's supposed to rain one day, so I might just wear this. Shoes, I might wear this. But I'm gonna bring my Uggs, and then I'll wear it like every day I'm there, because I don't want to pack no sneakers. I was gonna pack my I was gonna pack these to wear with that, but it's gonna be bad weather and I don't want to mess these up, so I'll stick with these and my Uggs and call it a day.
So I just finished packing. What I showed you was what I'm bringing. Like, I don't need to bring a lot. And forgot, call me dirty. I took the blank towel and put it over there. I'm getting a new one. But yeah, now I'm about to just wash my hair, take a shower, and braid it. So now I'm about to wash my, blow dry my hair. This is just a regular blow dryer from like Marshalls, not TJ Maxx.
Cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love.
So this is the final product.
I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded.
So I'm about to put my press-ons on. I got these from Shein. They're not the best, but they're good for what I get. So I just got my lashes done. Beautiful, right? Make sure y'all go book with her. Like, she be finessing. But you wanna see my hair? For real?